How did I make this? That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there, thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, like I said in the intro kanina, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ko binuo itong Totoro jewelry jar na ito. I'm going to show you the entire process and actually papamigay din natin ito sa isa sa inyo. So stay until the end of the video para malaman nyo yung mechanics kasi yes, ipapamigay ko po ito sa inyo. Isa sa inyo ang mananalo at ipapaship ko ito sa inyo. Well, as long as nasa Pilipinas kayo ha, kasi hindi yata kakayanin kung international, baka mabasag, sayang naman. Pero yon, papamigay ko po siya sa inyo. And this video right here is brought to you by our friends from Skillshare. If you don't know Skillshare yet, ang Skillshare po is an online community of learners, dabblers, artists, and the creatives from all around the world banding together, learning from each other through courses that they offer on the platform. All you have to do is to sign up to Skillshare and you will have access to these thousands of really great lectures from arts, from video editing, writing, producing, and even sculpting. Like this course right here that I'm following. It's from Amanda P on how to make art toys. And yun, kinakombine niya yung interest ko sa art toys, yung kaunting experience ko sa polymer clay sculpting. And now I'm developing my own, sabihin na natin, Team Lyqa toys na collectibles na ginagawa ko right here. I can't wait to show you those, pero tatapusin ko muna yung course ko sa Skillshare for that. And the beauty of it is, if you want to get started on Skillshare, it really doesn't cost a lot. It's less than $10 per month if you're going to have an annual subscription. At hindi lang yan, if you want to join Skillshare right now, meron silang ino-offer na free trial ng kanilang premium membership to any of you. All you need to do is to sign up using the link right here. At nasa description box din at sa comment section din natin. And again, thank you Skillshare for helping me make this video. Now, let's jump right into yung ating paggawa. I try to make this as relaxing as possible. So even if hindi kayo interesado do sa paggawa ng clay, hopefully ma-relax kayo dito sa ginawa kong video na ito. I took a bit of inspiration doon sa ginagawa nung younger sister ko, si Angela, sa Angela's Simple Life, pagdating doon sa style ng video. Pero, yan, I hope you like it. Alright? Let's jump right in. Alright, now I hope you enjoyed that video. Either na-relax kayo, na may natutunan kayo, or at least naging a little bit interested kayo to explore yung arts. And yes, I believe that anyone can learn how to do what I just did. All you need is time, dedication, and a lot of patience with yourself. Kasi hindi naman natin naasahan na yung unang gagawin natin masterpiece na agad. Again, you have to learn to adapt, and of course, you have to keep practicing. Now, a great partner when it comes to that would be Skillshare. Again, you can explore your creative side and join hundreds of thousands of creatives from all over the world pagdating sa pag-explore ng mga ginagawa na ito, whether it's painting, sculpting, writing, or anything like that. Go and check out Skillshare. And again, salamat sa kanila. It's very affordable. Less than $10 per month for an annual subscription. And again, as a special bonus for all of you, they are giving away free trials ng kanilang premium membership. So, hindi pa kayo naka-sign up. Sign up na sa link na nasa description box at nasa comment section ng video na ito. And again, go and have fun, dabble, create, make things. It's okay kahit the first ones don't turn out the way na yung gusto mo. Ang importante, lahat tayo natututo. Alright? Thanks for watching. As we always say sa channel to, never stop learning or never stop crafting. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.